smile for your mama.
Way to investigate rain. We're going out in the rain? Yes, we are. We're gonna take our umbrellas and all go outside and try collecting some rain in these. We're also going to observe what happens when the rain hits the ground. Oh, yeah, it makes